How do ZESTRON engineers help our customers? After topics such as determining requirements, cleaner and system pre-selection and initial cleaning trials are done, Zestron also supports customers on the further challenges to the perfect cleaning process. The next step is the exact documentation of the tests, which parameters were adjusted and how, what worked well or less well, which cleaner performed best under the given conditions. For difficult cleaning tasks, it is always possible to test additionally the compatibility between the flux system used and the cleaner by means of an FTIR measurement. Based on the measurements, Zestron is able to draw the appropriate conclusions. The test results will be reliably summarized for our customers in a technical report, which contains also specific recommendations for the next steps. As not only the cleaning agent need to be qualified by customer, also an appropriate cleaning machine is selected. Here, Zestron guarantees expert advice, independent of any machine manufacturer. There are always various options shown to our customers. We either determine corresponding cleaning machine proposals based on formal specifications, egg spraying or dipping process. Specific models can also be proposed on request. If required, we provide support during the installation of the cleaning process and optimize the parameters if necessary. However, the final check under full load conditions always takes place on site. Do you need a cleaning process? Please feel free to contact us.